Okay, welcome back. It is day 219, I think, of coding every day. Um, Ignore the hair again. I can't tame it. I just need probably a haircut. I thought like the sides would like fix themselves after a little bit of like growth. I think they're getting worse. Um, so yeah. As for what I did today, pretty much nothing. Again, only productive stuff I did. I went to the gym and then did this leak code. So, um, yeah, not the most productive day. But this is going to be kind of, I guess, an intense week. It's the last week before my poster presentation. So, ideally, I want good results to present next week. And so, what that looks like, ideally is um, my channel state information. I want that to be corrected so I can explain exactly how it's working, how I'm getting the data, and then how I'm training a model, have the trained model, and then be able to use the model inside my Unity simulation to detect anomaly. So to be able to detect fall, to be able to detect, prolonged ASD activity. I shouldn't say ASD, I should just say prolonged irregular activity. Um, so yeah. Um, so that's kind of like the goal, I guess, for this week. I still have to figure out what the line is there of like what I'm trying to actually detect with the Wi-Fi, you know, channel state information. I think it's gonna be like I said, like anomaly detection, as in like they fall or there's just sporadic movement that doesn't regularly happen based on past data from that user or from previously trained on users. I guess they're still just like you know, um, I assume ideally I should be able to try to do both. One should just be able to do like, oh, just label it as something is happening here that is irregular, and then maybe also try to like actually identify exactly what's happening. Like, oh, they're doing something with their arms here, like waving arms, or they're pacing back and forth here. So we'll see. Um, Leak code was just a very easy leak code. It was just given a matrix, sum up its diagonals. So I just looped through, going one way, then the other way, and then if it was a odd row matrice, meaning that it overlapped at the same middle value, then you subtracted that from the total sum. So yeah, I took a nap, which is detrimental. I think I slept from like 6 to 9. So I do not know what I'm gonna do, to be honest. I might go downstairs and play pool or something. I don't know. Um, Maybe even go to the lab tonight and get ahead. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get to bed again by like midnight. So we'll see. Okay. That is all I have. I will see you tomorrow, hopefully with an update on data collection for channel state information. So yeah. Okay. Take care. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.